hello again. I've made a video on how to replace the PCV valve on your W639 series Vito van, but I've also included how to install an oil catch can. But before you watch this, if you could just watch the previous short video I made on how to install the catch can, the same design catch can, onto an OM642 engine, because in there I explain how to dismantle that catch can and create an internal baffle. So I hope you find this very helpful. Remove the turbo inlet pipe by undoing that hose clip down there and pull out the crankcase ventilation hose and disconnect this electrical connector. The PCV sits under this plastic cover. We need to remove the 6 holding down bolts. There's 2 here, there's 2 in the middle, and there's 2 way down the back, which are a bit hard to get to. Once you've done that, you can lift the plastic cover and push it to the back and to the side a touch, and that allows you access to the PCV. It also helps to undo the bolt holding the dipstick bracket, which is down there. Here was, I've made my own bracket again out of 25mm flat bar, and then I slotted the end so that it goes onto this existing M8 bolt. And then I'll just put another nut on the back there and clamp it in place. Gases come out of the PCV valve, so you want to direct those gases to the inlet side of your catch can, and then they come out and then connect to the original hose, which connects in just in front of the turbo.